If you want to turn boring spreadsheets and complicated datasets into beautiful AI-powered dashboards in minutes, this platform might completely change the way you work with data in 2026. Today, I'm showing you how to use Hex, one of the fastest-growing AI data analytics and business intelligence platforms designed for analysts, startups, engineers, and business teams that want smarter and faster workflows. Hex combines SQL, Python, dashboards, AI assistants, notebooks, and interactive data apps into one single workspace, which is one of the biggest reasons so many modern companies are switching to it. When you first open the platform, you can connect your data source directly into Hex. This could be a database, spreadsheet, cloud warehouse, or other business data source. Once your data is connected, you can start analyzing it using SQL queries, Python code, or Hex's built-in AI assistant. One of the coolest features is that the AI can actually help write SQL queries for you, explain code, summarize datasets, and even help create charts and dashboards faster, which makes the workflow much easier, especially for people who do not want to manually code everything from scratch. Another feature users really like is the notebook-style interface, because it combines coding and reporting together in the same workspace. That means you can build visual dashboards, run analysis, write explanations, and share results all inside one interactive document instead of switching between multiple apps. Hex also supports collaboration tools so teams can work on projects together in real time, which is one reason startups and remote teams seem to love it so much. From the reviews and community feedback I found online, many users describe Hex as one of the most modern and polished analytics platforms available today. A lot of people praise how clean the interface feels compared to older business intelligence software, and users often mention that the AI features genuinely help speed up repetitive analytics tasks like writing queries or exploring datasets. Several reviewers also say the combination of technical flexibility and easy-to-share dashboards makes it easier for technical and non-technical teams to collaborate together. But to keep this tutorial honest, there are still a few downsides worth mentioning. First, Hex is definitely more technical than beginner-focused dashboard tools, so complete beginners with zero analytics experience may need some time to fully understand how everything works. Some users also mention that advanced features and larger team usage can become expensive depending on company size and workflow needs. And while the AI assistant is useful, it still requires human review, because AI-generated queries and insights are not always perfect. Overall, though, Hex looks like one of the strongest AI-powered analytics and dashboard platforms in 2026 because it successfully combines AI, coding, collaboration, and visualization tools into one modern system. If you regularly work with data and want a faster and smarter way to analyze information and build dashboards, Hex is definitely worth trying. If you want to test the platform yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next AI tool you want me to review next.